you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in GTA 5 and need a quick fix, follow these steps to disable or adjust them effectively. Step 1. Open the game. Launch GTA 5 on your PC or console. Wait for the game to load to the main menu before proceeding. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu from the main menu. This is usually found in Options or Settings tab. Step 3. Select Graphics Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Graphics option. Click on it to access the various graphics settings available. Step 4. Adjust or disable settings. In the graphics settings, you can either lower the quality of specific settings like texture quality, shadow quality, or disable certain features like VSync or anti-aliasing. Make the necessary adjustments based on your preference. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your changes, ensure you save them before exiting the settings menu. Restart the game to apply the new graphics settings effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly disable or adjust the graphics settings in GTA 5 for a smoother gaming experience.